In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template using ONLY ChatGPT. Whether you're a student, a project manager, or someone simply looking to organize your daily activities more effectively, creating a personalized Notion template can be a game changer. Luckily, the process is much simpler than you might think, thanks to the power of ChatGPT. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make this happen. First, you need to open up ChatGPT. Navigate your web browser to chatgpt.com, where you'll land on the homepage that many of you are likely familiar with. Take a moment to ensure that you're logged into your account. Having your credentials handy can help streamline this part of the process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Apps section. You can do this by looking at the main page interface. There should be an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click that. This section hosts a variety of applications powered by ChatGPT, designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. In the Apps section, you need to zero in on the area labeled GPTs. This is where numerous specialized tools are located, including the one we'll be focusing on today. You'll find this section by looking to the right of your screen, where it should be clearly labeled. Clicking on GPTs will lead you to a treasure trove of useful options. Next, it's time to narrow the search. Using the search bar provided, type in Notion. This will help you pinpoint the specific tool you need without sifting through countless other applications, saving you valuable time. Once you've typed Notion, press Enter to initiate the search. Among the search results, you should spot Notion Templates Creator. Now, this is the gem we're after. Click on it to learn more about how it can assist you in creating your unique Notion template. Keep in mind, this tool is designed to be intuitive and to guide you through the creation process smoothly. Now that you've selected the Notion Templates Creator, you'll see an option to Start Chat. Clicking on Start Chat will initiate the process of walking you through template creation within Notion. This tool will likely ask for some inputs based on your needs and preferences, so have a think beforehand about what kind of template you're looking to create. Are you managing tasks, planning a project, or organizing your life? These considerations will help streamline the setup. To sum up, using ChatGPT to create a Notion template is as easy as accessing the platform, navigating to the right sections, and using targeted tools like the Notion Templates Creator. Take your time to explore its features and settings to tailor it perfectly to your needs. With these straightforward steps, you can elevate your organization skills effortlessly. Ready to get started? Let's create a template that works for you.